Did Donald Trump just call India a dead economy? But is that even remotely true? In this video, we are diving deep into what Trump actually said. And then we will crush that claim with real data. India's explosive growth in tech, manufacturing, export and digital payments over the last 10 years and what is coming in the next 10 years. Is India's economy really dead, or are we about to become the world's next superpower? Let us find out. In July 2025, Donald Trump, while addressing a crowd, said, "We lost manufacturing to countries like China and others like India where the economy is dead." Why did he say it? He said this to promote his America First economic revival campaign aiming to bring back jobs to the US. But why call India's economy dead? It was political rhetoric, not based on facts. India's 10-year economic report card, 2014 to 2024. Let us break down India's performance sector by sector. Manufacturing. Production-linked incentive schemes attracted global giants like Apple, Samsung, Foxconn. India became the second largest mobile phone manufacturer by volume. India's manufacturing PMI has consistently stayed in expansion territory post-2020. Technology and startups. Over 100 unicorns by 2023. Global SaaS leaders like Zoho, Freshworks and Razorpay emerged from India. India is now the world's third largest startup ecosystem. Digital economy. UPI transactions crossed ₹100 lakh crore annually. Over 400 crore Jan Dhan bank accounts created. Aadhaar-enabled fintech ecosystem revolutionized financial inclusion. Agriculture. India remained number one producer of milk, spices and pulses. Agri-exports hit record highs in 2023, over $50 billion. Digital agri-tech startups are solving distribution and pricing challenges. Infrastructure and energy. Highway construction doubled since 2014. India is the third largest producer of renewable energy. Railways, ports and airports have seen massive modernization. GDP growth. Despite COVID, India's GDP rebounded sharply from a $2 trillion economy in 2014 to nearly $3.7 trillion in 2024. IMF ranks India among the fastest growing major economies. What is next? India's next 10 years, 2024 to 2034. $5 trillion economy target. India is on target to reach $5 trillion by 2027 as per Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley. Demographic dividend. Over 65% of India's population is below 35. Rising middle class is more consumption plus innovation. Global manufacturing hub. China's +1 policy by Western company is moving supply chains to India. Electric vehicles, semiconductor and green hydrogen sectors are scaling fast. Tech and AI. India is investing billions in AI chip design and quantum computing, expected to lead in AI-enabled governance and healthcare. Global influence. India is leading global forums like G20, BRICS, SCO. Strategic partnership with US, Europe and Japan are expanding. So, is India really a dead economy? Let us get real. India's per capita income has doubled since 2014. From being a back office for the world, India is now designing, innovating and exporting globally. Over 30 crore Indians have come out of multidimensional poverty since 2005-2006. Our forex reserves are among the top 5 globally. Trump's claim was not just wrong, it was opposite of the truth. India is not a dead economy. We are an awakening giant. Every sector from tech to textiles, from road to robots is moving forward at full throttle, and the next decade belongs to India. If you found this breakdown helpful, like, comment your thoughts on Trump's statements and subscribe for weekly deep dives into India's legal and economic stories.